I moved to Canada in 2022 with the hope and intention of living a good and comfortable life in this country. I'm very happy with everything that this country has to provide me. But only one thing that really bothered me was how difficult it was to get ahead in life despite having a full-time job like both me and my husband. I have a 13 years of experience in IT industry and MBA from India. And my husband did his master's from here in Canada. And both of us were working full-time. I didn't have a Canadian experience, so the job I was doing was not paying me good enough, and our combined income was not that much to make enough savings or fulfill the dreams that we had as a family of buying our own house. Because for that also you need to have enough savings to be able to put in a down payment, and we knew that with the conditions that we are in, it's going to take us years and years to even think about being able to afford our own house. And that used to bother me so much, that because I used to feel that my job that I'm doing is such a waste, because even slogging for 9 hours and the pay was not enough to cover the expenses. I was not able to spend a quality time with my baby because of this job. I could hardly save few $100 after working so much, after having all my expenses done. So one day I decided that I'm going to let go of this job and will look for certain things which I can do from home, so that I can be available to my baby, who was going to be an year and year he was a year old, and he was about to learning to talk, walk, and I didn't want to miss his growing milestone. I wanted to be with him. I was guilty of not with him when I was working, and when I was at home I was guilty of not earning, because all the burdens and expenses were on my husband. He has to work extra hours to earn extra money, which was not coming from my side to cover all the expenses. So all of these things led me to dive in looking for an options to make money online, and I started to do a Google search, and then internet showed me so many things, so many ads from different people offering hundred of different things, and I was also bombarded with all these things. I'm an introvert person, and I was looking for something that fitted my personality, and I thought like digital marketing business was an option for me, which I felt was something I was looking for. I knew digital marketing industry is going to be booming coming years, and it was a wise decision to get in something which I know has a lot of future and potential. So all of these things made sense to me. Now I'm running my business along with my family and baby. This business is legitimate. You get T4A form in Canada and W9 in US, and as per respected countries other forms. You get to work as per your convenience. All this sounds too good to be true. When I used to see people making money using the digital marketing business, I used to think the same way. How is it possible? What is this? Is this even real? Or people just flashing money to attract other people? But after doing my research and getting into it, I can tell you that all these things are possible. It can be your reality too. So don't do the mistake of dismissing this video just because it sounds unreal to you, because you don't know how it works, what is its potential, or you haven't gotten in the deeper of this business. That's why you feel that way. If you are a kind of person who know that you have the capability that if you get into something, you will stick to it, and you will not escape, and you will learn. So definitely the money is here to be made. If I can make it and other 200,000 people can make it in this community, you can also make it. And if you are interested in knowing the details, I'm here to guide you. My WhatsApp number is flashing there. Reach out to me or click on learn more. You will be taken to my website. Sign up and watch the webinar. Then go ahead with the next step. After doing and watching everything, you can reach out to me for any questions and concern. I'm always there to help you and guide you. Thank you.